Let's welcome our new friend, Dr. Florian Kongoli, the CEO of FLOGEN Technologies, Inc., USA, to make a welcome speech and propose a toast.
Good evening. My welcome will be on the viewpoint of sustainability, following my presentation this morning. First, thank you to the organizing committee for making sure that this time also we have a very successful event. Second, this is the first event after COVID, by the way. Many people forget this, for this organization. And then at the end, we succeeded to have in-person meetings. In-person meetings are invaluable. I guess you agree with me that there is no comparison compared to Zoom meetings. It's a completely different world, and the in-person meetings are so important because of this banquet also. It is not just hearing to a presentation and making some questions, but here you have the opportunity to know each other personally and set up, exchange ideas, which are often source of cooperating projects. So that's the purpose of in-person meetings, and also this banquet here. So being in person, this is something that is invaluable. And I think, according to statistics, 80% of researchers agree with this. They are fed up with Zoom meetings. Again, welcome in terms of sustainability. Remember, sustainability has been a political concept long ago. We pushed it hard since 2003 when we started it, when nobody was speaking about sustainability, when everybody was speaking, save a little bit of water, save a bit of air, and so on. We fought against many people that were against technology. For us, technology, science and technology was a primary factor in achieving sustainability in an efficient way, in the most efficient way. And we are glad today that our effort has produced huge results. You see sustainability everywhere. Now it's booming, but still there is confusion, and still people do not know exactly what it is, and so on. I tried to clarify the confusion we have tried several years to clarify the confusion, but I presented this morning. But first of all, for us is, if you want to reach sustainability, first you have to tackle science and technology. Only science and technology is able to achieve sustainability faster, more efficient, and brings much more results in any other fields. For example, we mentioned the lights will shine, or Barcelona will shine on us today. Unfortunately not. One of the highlights of Barcelona is the light and fountain show just in front of us. This is one of the highlights. Barcelona is equal to that, and unfortunately that has been cancelled for whole summer. We'll not be able to notice. I've been here before. I know what it is. But that has been cancelled because of saving water. It's a good goal to save water. But if you tackle saving water through technology, you will be able to enjoy it, which you were not be able to do all this weekend. So if we had paid more people working on research, saving water and circulating water, we would have been able to see the lights tonight. But this is again what I really been saying all over. If you approach to achieve sustainability through science and technology, you make life of people more enjoyable, and also you save the environment at the same time. So again, but one positive thing is we are in person, and then we are knowing each other. So feel free to know each other, exchange the cards also here, and enjoy. Thank you again, and we hope that science will make our life not horrible, but more enjoyable, to enjoy also the fountain in front of us. Thank you very much.